Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Chime with your Apple Wallet. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect Chime with your Apple Wallet. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Chime app. Next, on the bottom hand side, you're going to see an option to save your virtual cards. Go ahead and click on that banner and then go ahead and click on Add to Apple Wallet. Now, this is where you could actually go ahead and add whichever card you want to your Apple Wallet. So we're going to go ahead and scroll to the left and go ahead and find your virtual Chime card. Next, you're going to click on Add to Apple Wallet. And then from here, just simply follow the on-screen prompts of where you want to go ahead and add your wallet. So we're going to select our phone and then click on Continue. And it's going to take a couple of seconds to actually go ahead and connect. Then you're going to have some terms and conditions. So click on Agree. And there you have it. You've now gone ahead and added your Chime card into your Apple Wallet. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.